I recently received this Smartish reversible MagSafe phone grip, suction, and kickstand, and it's really a neat product. You can use it with any phone, but I have Apple's, and it just clicks right on, right there, but it's reversible, so you can pull it out like this. You can turn this little aspect of it around. So if you're recording, you can stick this part on the wall and, have your phone so you can record easily. This piece, this phone grip comes out just like that. Really easy to use. Do like that. It's got a strong suction too, which is nice. So yeah, definitely recommend.